Hi and welcome to my channel. I made this. Today, I'm excited to show you something I built myself, a tiny wagon filled with character and detail. I call it the Wandering Hearth. In this video, I'll share the story behind this miniature and what inspired me to create it. Let us get started.
What you see before you is more than a model. It's a memory carved in wood. A home that once rolled through forests and fields, now frozen in time. This is the Wandering Hearth, a traveling cabin, built with worn timber and tales. Some say it belonged to a lonely tinker. Others, a storyteller who traded tales for a meal and a smile. The windows, clouded with dust, once caught the morning sun. The chimney? It whispered smoke into the dawn, while the road ahead stretched like a ribbon of possibility. Its steps are tiny, yet they've seen tired feet, muddy boots, hopeful hearts. That creaky little door, it opened not just to a room, but to warmth, to safety, to a world inside. Each panel, each plank, each wheel, is handmade. Not just by tools, but by imagination. I didn't just build a house, I built a story. One you can touch. Look closer. The turret, the balcony, the age-weathered wood, they all whisper something. Maybe a song. Maybe silence. Maybe dreams. I made this miniature not to display, but to remember. To hold a feeling that's too quiet for words. A quiet journey that never needed a map. Thank you for watching. And if this tiny house spoke to you in some way, then maybe, just maybe, you're a traveler.